to my channel, Beauty in the Boondocks. Today I'm going to give a tour of my Halloween decorations. Most of them were purchased at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I have taken this Christmas tree and turned it into a Halloween tree. And all the products you see can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to get a little bit closer look here so you can actually see. Look at the sparkles on that spider. And on the pumpkin up there. See, they even have tree toppers. And I added some sparkly pumpkins and a sparkly spider. And I have another sparkly spider right there. And added some fall decorations with it too. I like sparkly pumpkins. Added that one there. Just give you an overview of my beauty room while we're in here. Of course, I have Christmas stuff still out over there, which kind of goes with everything. And of course, I've got to have my Bath and Body Works candles. Just kind of give you an overview of the beauty room while we're in here. The Royal Room. Be your own kind of beautiful. I'll show you my closet. I've added a few things to it. I use this for storage too. And these bins you can get at the Dollar Tree as well. They're really good. They're good quality. I need to do a video on my purses. That's not a real Louis Vuitton, but it looks like one, doesn't it? I think I paid like $30 on Amazon for that. There's my shoes, and this is where I keep my excess decorations. Just storage. We're gonna go into the hallway. That was bought at the Dollar Tree as well. And the hands were. And look at this guy right here. We're gonna go into the other part of the hallway. This guy, I can't believe this was purchased at the Dollar Tree. Thing's huge. Of course, the chain around it was too, but the ghost itself is one piece, and it was purchased at the Dollar Tree. And the scary photo. And that ghost. And then they have a lot of different wall hangings that you can get. And this guy right here, we're going to go into the living room. I've bought a few decorations since I last did the Halloween tour. Most of them were purchased at the Dollar Tree. Now this big old pumpkin here was only $6 at Target, and they may be sold out of them. I mean, it's huge. We kind of use it as a toy box for the living room. With this guy, and then of course the mantle. And this bird here is sparkly too. I like glitter. I found more of these spiders here. I got that at the Dollar Tree. That spider. And then that's a Bath and Body Works candle. I got that with my coupons for $11. Right now they have their candles on sale for like $14 something. I would check back every day. Right now they're doing a lot of sales. Yesterday they were doing hand creams and body care for like $4 and something. So that's my living room, and then we'll go in the kitchen. And I got these. These were, I think, either 2 for $1 or $1 a piece, but they were bought at the Dollar Tree. I thought they were cute. They were bought last year, and then I made my own with stickers and a vase from the Dollar Tree, and I bought the flowers there. And these hands are hard to find. We bought that at the Dollar Tree like last year. And the hanging bats. And that's just a mask from the Dollar Tree that my husband put up there. And I think that was bought at maybe the Dollar Tree as well. They had several of those. They're actually pretty good quality. Anyway, that concludes this tour of my Halloween haunted house. Everyone, have a safe and wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you soon.